Today we are going to discuss the most important chapter from the first flight book of 10th class students, Sermon of the Banners by Betty Renshaw was born on the September 3rd, 1927 to the PC Lillian Renshaw. After graduating for the Salem High School, she went to obtain on the Bachelor of Arts degree from the Mississippi College and later she completed her Masters of Arts from Mississippi College for Women. Gautam Buddha 1263 BC and 483 BC began his life as Prince Nebir Siddhartha Gautam in North India. At the age of the 12, he sent for schooling in the Hindu sacred scripture, and 4 years later, he returned home to marry a princess. They had son and lived for the 10 years as befitted royalty. At about age of 25, the prince shielded from the suffering of the world. Gautam Buddha went in the search of enlightenment for about 7 years before he finally came across a peepal tree, where he finally chose to sit under it until he became awakened, where he attained the salvation after 7 days. He decided to retitle the Bodh tree and himself came to be known as Buddha. He even began preaching his new realization, and his first sermon was given in the reality of Banaras. The city of Banaras is known to be sacred as it is resided on the bank of the river Ganges. The first sermon he gave preserved is famous till date. It gives a new perspective to man and its suffering. Theme of the story: Sermon at the Banaras is the story of an unfortunate woman, Kissa Gautami. She had lost her only one. In her grief, she carried the dead body of her son from one place to another place. In the end, she came to the Lord Buddha. She needed the medicine that could her son. The Buddha asked him a handful mustard from a house. Seek from a house where no one had lost a child, husband, parents, or friend. Kissa Gautami did not find a house where some beloved one had not died in it. She thought to herself that it was the fate of mankind that was inevitable, in, inevitable. Nobody can avoid dying. The world is afflicted with death and decay. The wise did not grieve. He who has overcome all soon will become free from sorrow and he blessed. The conclusion of the story is that in the story Gautam Buddha went in search of enlightenment for about 7 years before he finally came across the peepal tree, where he finally chose to sit under it until he became awakened, where he attended the salvation of 7 days, where he realized the pupil suffering and tried to solve their problem through the enlightenment. By the story, we comes to know that how the Gautam Buddha are ready to refuse her and all the luxurious facilities they have as a prince, and while he married to a princess and the all the pleasure of life with her son, with his son also, and this kind of things he he leading a normal life, but he decided to refuse all the luxuries and the pleasures and his family also due to the enlightenment of the pupil. By the story we comes to know that how he refused her all the luxury things and the pleasure of the family happiness, and just because of the enlightenment of the world, just because of the suffering of the world, while he realized that how the pupils are suffering all the things, and he becomes both and sitting in the and under the people tree, and when the people asked him about the solution of their problem, give them the solution and with an example. For example, we can see that how the Kissa Gautami had lost her son, and how the Gautam Buddha is decided to give him a lesson of what is the reality of life. Nobody can escape from that. Everybody is going to be die. Here, student, I'm talking about all the story in the slow manner in order to make you understand the things. If I say all the things very faster, you are not able to understand the thing. That's why I'm saying very slowly, in order to analyze the main theme of the story, which is very important. If you write the answer in this way, which is it will give you a maximum marks in your examination, which is very important. Um, according to the CBSE board examination. I hope you like my video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.